Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's encode the logic. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, if you see on the screen, we will write a code for simple interest calculation and average of three numbers, power of a number, and then a code for sum of natural numbers, sum of squares, and sum of cubes. Okay, then let's quickly start the basic coding. I hope you like it. Simple interest calculation. So, simple interest, right? So, what we taught in our schooling, SI equal to PTR by 100. So, where P is the principal, T is the time, and R is the rate. Okay, what we need? We need three inputs. First one is principal, second one time, and then rate. Okay, let's take P equal to int of input of enter the principal. Okay, enter time. And then rate. Okay, SI is equal to P into R by 100. And let's print simple interest plus SI. Okay, let me run this program. Okay, I'll give 100, okay, 1000 principal and 2 years, and then rate was 3. Okay, it was an error saying that name SI is not defined. Did you mean capital SI? Okay, okay, see, here I printed the value of small SI, but I computed the value and I stored it in capital SI, right? So, as I said, Python is case sensitive. So, we need to keep capital S and small s. The small SI and the capital SI are not same. They are not identical. Okay, let me run this program again. Let's see what happens now. I will give the same inputs, 1000 and 10,002 and then 3. So now you see the simple interest was 600. So 10,000 into 2 into 3, that was 60,000. 60,000 by 100, it was 600. So in this way, we will compute simple interest. And next problem was average of three numbers. Okay. Code was average of three numbers. Of course, we need three inputs. They are equal to int of input of it was A. We'll see. Then B, and then B, and C. It was C. Yeah. So the average is equal to A plus B plus C whole by 3, right? Parent of the average. Okay, the average of A, comma B, comma C is AVG. Okay, let me run this program. I'll give 5 and then 4 and then 3. Okay, the average of 5, 4, 3 is 4. So 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, that was 12. 12 by 3, it was 4. Okay, yeah, spelling was mistake. So in this way, we will do. Next, the power of a number. To the power of a number. Power of a number. So what is the power formula for power? That was base power exponent, right? Okay. So we need two inputs, that was base equal to int of input of enter base, then exponent equal to int of input of, okay, enter exponent and print power equal to, okay, instead of taking a variable, we can simply compute within the output stream. We will do base power exponent by keeping this braces. Okay, let me run this program again. Okay, we need to start from the beginning. 639, it was 6, and then base. Let me compute 4 cube. I will keep base as 4 and the exponent as 3. So it was power equal to 64. And next one, sum of natural numbers. Okay, sum of natural numbers. So what we know about sum of natural numbers? We know a formula that sum equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is what we taught in our schooling, right? So the input variable was n. We will take int of input of enter n, right? So we will print sum of numbers till comma n is, yeah, n is, we will do n into n plus 1 by 2, right? I want to know sum of the numbers till 4. So what could be my output? That was 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That was 10, right? Okay, let me click on enter. So it has given me that was 10, right? So we can do this. So we can do this computation by using a variable, by keeping a variable like someone, and then we can copy this and can paste it here. But the thing was, we need to save the memory. So for that purpose, we need to think in such a way that if there is no need of an extra variable, why do we need to use it? So we need to think for the simplest way as much as possible. Okay. And the next was sum of squares and sum of cubes. So we know the formula for sum of squares. That was n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, right? Okay. Let's consider this input itself, and then let's print of sum of squares till n is n into n plus 1 into 2 into n plus 1 by 6, right? Okay, let's find out the sum of cubes also. Okay, sum of cubes will be n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. N square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Okay, let's print that. Sum of cubes till n is okay. Let's take n equal to 5 this time. For the first print statement, my output should be like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, right? So it was 15. For the second print statement, it should be like 1 square, 1 plus 2 square, 4 plus 3 square, 9 plus 16 plus 25. So this was 25 plus 25, 50, 50 plus 5, 55. Okay. Next, for the third print statement, it was sum of cubes. So 1 cube plus 2 cube, 8 plus 3 cube, 27, 4 cube, that was 64, and 5 cube, 125. So it should be 225. Now, let's run this program. So I will enter 5. So if you see, as I expected, I got the same result. It was 15, 55, and 225. Okay. One more thing. If you think this was some bit complex, okay, let's take a variable itself. That was someone. Okay. So I will keep all this calculation within a variable. Okay. And I will keep someone here. And if you observe, the formula for sum of natural numbers was n into n plus 1 whole by 2. And for the sum of cubes, it was n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. So simply, instead of computing this whole thing, we can keep someone power 2, right? Okay. Yeah, here it was sum. Yes. So let me run this program again. This time I will again give 5. So if you see the same result, it was 15, 55, and 20, 225. And let me run this for another input. I will take 6. So it was 21, 91, 441. So this is about the basic coding, guys. I hope you found it interesting, and thank you for watching. Hey folks, if you enjoyed this coding tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your fellow coding buddies, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and of course, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Your support means a lot and it helps our community grow. Happy coding!